morning from Dubai. We have just landed at Afnan's factory in Ajman. Behind me is the facility that produces all of Afnan's hero products: 9pm, 9pm Rebel, Supremacy Collectors, Supremacy Intense. The list could go on. I could talk about their perfumes all day long. So come in for a tour with me. Let's go. Hi guys, we are in the Afnan factory right now, and the influencers behind me are all having a tour of Afnan's production facility.
You know, it's like my first time to Afnan. I always love coming here. It's always fantastic. They're always hospitable. We're seeing many lines in action, which is brilliant to see. Many new perfumes coming. We're still celebrating the 9pm Rebel. Brilliant day so far, man.
This is actually my first time in any type of factory and manufacturing, and this is amazing. I'm actually kind of speechless seeing all the bottles being made just right on spot. Is very cool to see, and all the packagings and just everything. It's one special experience, honestly.
Bueno, esta es la primera vez que estoy en una fábrica de estas instalaciones de perfumes. Desde el momento que se mete el líquido en el frasco, todo el sistema que tiene de producción, hasta que se lleva a lo que son las cajas para distribuirlo por todo el mundo. Y esto ha sido una de las experiencias más increíbles que he tenido en toda mi vida. La verdad que estoy muy ilusionado y muy contento de estar aquí.
Sí.
Gracias.